Hello. Well, I haven't been on for a long time, but I sent this one as a personal video. I Allergies have been bad this year. Hi, Abby. It's rainy here in Columbus. I thought that since I was able to delete a lot of stuff off my phone, I could do this and this. Ugh, crazy. I hope everybody's having a good early spring. Definitely. Been sneezing for about 10 minutes. Ugh. I can't stop, Abby. I'll sign off now. I'll send more.